Welcome to a complete walkthrough of Exercise 1.1. Today, we are going to build massive numbers, place commas accurately, and navigate the specific structural requirements of large values. First, let's look at the two frameworks we use to read these numbers. On the left is the national system, relying on crores, lakhs, and thousands. On the right is the international system, which groups values into billions, millions, and thousands. Moving to question 1, we convert written words into numbers. For part Ga, 5 crore, 3 lakh, 2007, we place the 5, 3, 2, and 7 into their respective positions. Any place value not mentioned in the words must be explicitly filled with a 0 to maintain the correct total value. Here is the complete solution board for question 1. Take a moment to check your own work. Notice part Ja at the end. Because this uses the international system, the column groupings shift, but the requirement for 0 placeholders remains the same. Without zeros acting as placeholders, a number like 5 crore would collapse into a much smaller value. Zeros provide the structural framework that defines the magnitude of these numbers. To solve question 2 and turn numbers back into words, we apply the national comma rule. Starting from the far right, we count 3 digits and place our first comma. From that point on, we place a comma after every 2 digits. With these commas established, the numbers are segmented into readable groups. Here are the solutions for question 2, showing the numeric values alongside their written Bengali equivalents. By grouping the digits this way, the commas align with the transitions between thousands, lakhs, and crores. This visual separation mirrors the spoken system, providing a direct reference for reading the value correctly. Significant digits, or Sarthak Anko, are numbers 1 through 9. 0 carries no weight. In part Ga, 4,203, the 3 gives 3. We bypass 0. The 2 gives 200, and the 4 gives 4,000. Here is the full solution board. Place values exclude 0. While 0 is essential for holding a position in the overall number, it has no standalone measurable value when we evaluate significant place value. Questions 4 and 5 require us to build the largest and smallest numbers from given digits. To maximize the value, we arrange digits from largest to smallest. To minimize it, we arrange them from smallest to largest. For question 5, part Ka, we need a valid 7-digit number from a set including 0. Placing 0 first reduces the entire number to a 6-digit value. Instead, we place the smallest significant digit, 3, first, followed immediately by 0. Here are the final answers. This establishes a consistent rule for digit arrangement. 0 cannot lead a whole number if you intend to maintain the total number of digits. Our final task in question 6 is to take a specific 5-digit number and reverse the sequence. We take 73,455 and rearrange the digits from back to front. Applying the comma rule gives us 55,437. We then write this out in its full Bengali word form to complete the final exercise. The entire exercise is built on 4 core rules. Follow the 3-2-2 comma structure. Use zeros as placeholders. Exclude 0 from significant digit calculations, and never start a whole number with 0. Internalize these 4 rules, and you can reliably construct and navigate large numbers throughout this chapter.